Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to print a nozzle check test page from an Epson XP-247. This is nice and simple, can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the buttons on the front of the printer, and there's no need to have an attached PC or laptop. So first of all, we need to make sure there's some paper in the back of the printer and that the printer itself is off. With all of this done, what we're going to do is hold down this button on the right here, represented by an upside down triangle in a circle. I'll hold that down, and then we're going to hold down the on button, the power button, until it flashes, then we release. And if we give the printer just a minute, it'll eventually spit out a page that looks similar to this, but you should also have a pattern for the black on the left hand side here, but mine's got an issue with that portion of the print head. But these little kind of gate symbols are basically showing your printer's ability to produce black, cyan, magenta and yellow in fine detail. Any broken lines in there indicate like a small blockage of the print head, and any missing colours or scrambled colours like that indicate a more serious issue, which can thankfully normally be resolved by running cleaning cycles from your printer, which we have a separate video for on our channel. And once you've done those cleans, you can just do cleans and test pages till you hopefully see an improvement in your print quality. Hope you found this video useful. If you have, let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, drop it down in a comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.